Okay, so we've now run the gear pattern, and I've now just set the backlash. So we're looking for, I think factory is between 0.13 and 0.18. So yeah, I'll probably go, because this isn't totally, it's difficult to show, but this isn't totally perpendicular to the gear. I don't know if you can see in there. There's only so much you can do through the drain hole, and I haven't got one of the waggle type dial indicators, so I'm looking to keep this on the tighter side. So that's probably not far off 12 there, 0.12. By the time we've taken into account that it's not perpendicular. So I'm looking at the tighter end, so that should be about okay. So we'll go with that, and now just get it all buttoned back up.